All right, I'm getting somewhere a little bit. The taillights are working again. Now, the only thing I did different was these wires here, which one of them goes in to the fuse block right there. If you can see my black finger right here, that's that wire, and this has got some splices in it. I'm wondering if maybe one of the wires is not is barely touching another wire. It's been moving around too much. So I'll work on that next time I come out. That might be the problem, because that's all I did. And then I went and checked them again, and I moved those around, kind of straightened them, and all of a sudden I got taillights again.